Seattle explosion injures 9 firefighters, wakes residents. 9 firefighters were hurt after an explosion leveled several buildings in Seattle early Wednesday following reports of a natural gas leak, officials said. The Seattle Fire Department said 8 firefighters and a battalion chief were transported to the hospital with minor injuries when a massive explosion struck a section of the northern neighborhood of Greenwood. At least 17 fire vehicles were at the scene after what one resident described as an extremely loud boom. The initial call of a gas leak came in at 1:04 a.m., 4:04 a.m. ET, and the explosion was felt about 40 minutes later, said Seattle Fire Department spokeswoman Corey Orvold. The cause of the blast remained under investigation Wednesday morning. Officials had evacuated an apartment building and another multi-family dwelling as dozens of residents said on Twitter they had been woken by the explosion. "I saw 3 buildings that were all leveled," he told NBC News. "There's nothing but rubble and bricks and there was a fire in the middle of the rubble. It's like something out of a movie." He said at least 3 buildings had been destroyed, a local coffee shop, a restaurant and a grocery store.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmean.webs.com.